If you're currently nearing your graduation, choosing between an ACCA and a CPA is ideal. ACCA and CPA, two very well-known qualifications in the field of accounts and finance that budding professionals prefer to prepare for, pass, become members of, to have good careers in this domain. If you're wondering which course might be ideal for you and you stumbled onto this video, then this is the right video. Here at Zell Education, on this channel, we made a lot of such videos which help budding professionals such as you to prepare in your journey of ACCA, CFA, CPA, CMA and many more such courses. If you want to keep getting such videos which help you in your journey, then stay subscribed to us and keep letting us know in the comments what kind of topics would help you in your career. Jumping into today's video, let's first understand the difference between ACCA and CPA. Well, ACCA is the Association of Chartered Certified Accountants, the body hailing from UK, and it masters or allows you to develop an expertise in IFRS, which is the International Financial Reporting Standards. Whereas CPA, if you focus on the US CPA variant, which you most likely will be preferring, focuses on the study of US GAAP, which is the United States Generally Accepted Accounting Principles. If we look at it from the Indian student's perspective, that in India we follow Ind AS, which is the Indian Accounting Standards, which is based on IFRS. So an ideal Indian candidate or an ideal Indian profile would ideally have the expertise in all three: Ind AS, IFRS and US GAAP. But of course, while that is not possible for many, people always choose which side of the accounting world do they want to build their expertise in and stumble across these qualifications. If you're currently in your 11th, 12th grade, then options like the CA and the ACCA are open to you because the eligibility for these courses is as low as 10th grade and most candidates begin after their 12th grade. If you're currently nearing your graduation and are looking to get into a qualification now, then choosing between an ACCA and a CPA is ideal. While US CPA, like I mentioned, is the most commonly selected course, there are other CPA options also. CPA Canada, CPA Australia, to name it. ACCA as a qualification has 13 exams split in 3 levels: knowledge level, skill level, and professional level. If you want to learn more about ACCA as a course, there's a dedicated video we have created which you get access in the video's description. ACCA on average takes you 2.5 to 3 years, but it gives you exemptions, which means if you're a graduate or if you studied other things, then you might be getting exemptions helping you reduce your journey and becoming an ACCA student. CPA on the other hand, you only become eligible if there are certain eligibility criteria in place, but as a bare minimum, you need to be a graduate. Again, to understand much more about CPA as a course and get all the details, you can check the CPA specific video linked below. CPA has 4 exams and on average candidates take between 12 to 15 months to become a CPA. If you weigh your options between ACCA and CPA, first in terms of what country or what clientele you want to cater to, and then second based on your eligibility, then the third and the final criteria that you should be thinking about is your return on investment. Both CPA and ACCA cost you about 3 to 3.5 lakhs depending on how you study and how you go about with the exams, assuming you clear it in the first attempt. And both, if you have only a bachelor's with you and no other work experience, help you get started in your journey with anywhere a placement between 5 to 7 lakhs per annum and rapid growth trajectory. A few years of work experience and you're looking at a good stable job anywhere from 8 to 10 lakhs and building your professional career upwards from there. So in hindsight, both the qualifications are equally valuable. If you understand where you want to practice or what aspirations you want in terms of the global landscape in accounts and finance, both qualifications are extremely valuable, have similar returns on investments, and might cost you the same if you look at it from a whole perspective. If this video has helped you, then we'd love to know that in the comment section. Let us know any more questions that you have or suggestions for what the next video should be. Leave us a like so that we know we're on the right track, helping add value in your journey. Thank you.